On the rise, ORB plays, candles start to fly. TRADEIFY flow, boys drifting now. YouTube chat lit, whole squad on the line. Wake up chart low, money on the screen. Scalping them kicks, keep the setup clean. Apex funny, wrist tight, I mean. Turn a loss to a win, living out the dream. Take profit, Alpines on the rise. ORB plays, candles start to fly. TRADEIFY flow, boys drifting now. YouTube chat lit, whole squad on the line. From the charts to the stage, I was built for the game. No 9 to 5, tick by tick is the name. Profit run deep, watch the numbers climb. Whole chat cheering when we catch that line. Take profit, Alpines on the rise. ORB plays, candles start to fly. TRADEIFY flow, boys drifting now. YouTube chat lit, whole squad on the line.
Man, what's going on, guys? Good morning. Well, yesterday, could have made the losses back. Let me show you guys my trade. Remember how I said I was waiting for a trap? All right. So I waited for the trap. I went long and I sold for $700 profit like a dumbass. Knew I should have walked away. Set to stop break even once I'm up nicely. Once this held, should have just... But finished the day under $900 or under $1,000 in loss. So I was like, I'll take that. But of course, easily could have recovered the loss. So mad. I was still so mad. Anyway, today ORB is going to be a little bit different. I am going to place an order to... Now I don't know if I should do long side or short side. I don't know if I should do long or short. But one way I'm going to place it before the open. And then we're going to cancel it quickly if it doesn't fill. And goes the other way, but... How hard is it to pass take profit trader? I just did it yesterday, so I just activated one actually right now. Literally 2 seconds ago, so I'm going to have a 50K take profit. But then I took a trade on this TRADEIFY, man. Look what I did. What a dumb trade. I mean, couldn't be any worse. So started the TRADEIFY account with the loss. Like, I'm just cursed with TRADEIFY, I guess. I don't know. I mean, this is as bad as it gets. I mean, it doesn't get much worse than this. How much are the TRADEIFY evals? You asking? Let's make sure copy trader is good. Oh, I gotta add that TRADEIFY eval. Well, it depends what account you use. It's right on their website. It's actually very simply laid out right on their website on the homepage. How much profit you need to make. So it's 1,500, 3,000, 2,500, 9,000. Depends what account you choose. They have 25K, 50K, 75K, 100K, 150K. All right, guys, 30 seconds to go. Need a good one today. Need a good one. It's been very volatile opens lately, so hopefully today it's the same thing. I'm trading my ORB a little bit different today than I usually do. I'm adapting to the market conditions that we've had this week. Might not be a good idea, but I'm okay with it. This is why I don't do it. What kind of fill was that? See, this is why I don't do that. This was an absolute fucking monster of a fucking fill. My entry was right here. Oh god. All right, well, we gotta take the ORB again. Of course, the ORB is actually easy today. Of course, ORB was actually easy today. Fucking A, guys. We're on the blender right now, guys. We're on a bad blender. I mean, this is why I will never do that again. Well, I learned my lesson. That was actually funny. I'll admit, that was actually pretty funny. You guys see that? You guys see that? I got filled 17 points higher. And I lost $200 more than I should have. And it was an easy ORB. It fucking makes no sense. It makes no sense. But we're gonna make it back today. I'm gonna make it back today. Today is a day of being aggressive. The accounts are getting cooked. Gonna be aggressive. Let's do it. Let's mark out the levels. That was pretty funny. I'm not gonna lie. That was a good lesson. That was a good lesson. Super easy ORB too. Like you just can't make it up. Like I have the worst luck this week. This is the fucking nightmare week. This is gonna be the blow up week. Look how easy. Fuck. Look how easy the short was. If I didn't place that long, look how easy the short was. I mean, there's just nothing I could do about it. Just gotta make it back right now. I will make it back. We'll buy this and we're gonna make it back. Chat, we are gonna make it back. I might blow these accounts, but I don't care. Gonna try to do our best not to. That was hilarious. I just can't believe that actually happened. But that was a reminder why I didn't do my ORB like I used to. People ask me, oh, you don't do it because Apex doesn't allow it. No, because you get the shittiest fills. I literally got filled at the top. I literally got filled at the top. We're going to take this long here in a second here. Hopefully it gives me that short entry. This is going to rip back up. It's a great day. Day after taxes. It's a great day. Okay, I'm in. Kind of want to add to it. Buy and sell stop or market orders, yes, but that would never happen on the live account. Not that much slippage. That was an absolute joke. Nope. Gonna get stopped. That's right. On my account, you guys can't see. Let me show you guys. I had an update on my computer, so. Fuck, man. Why is it bouncing now, bitch? No. Oh, you fucking cunt. Oh. Oh! Crazy that we get stopped out like that. Absolute trash. That is fucking insane. I have to wait. Oh my god, are you kidding me, guys? What the fuck am I doing wrong? All right, I'm not stopping out. Fuck you, blow these accounts. Fucking so weak. So fucking weak. Bullshit. Fucking market, man. Swear to God, if I get fucking bottom ticked one more time today. Oh, oh man. These accounts are gone, guys. They're either green or gone today. I just hope this volatility stays. It's fucking holding now. How are you holding when you looked so weak? Just dump it now, I guess. It's gonna... Whatever. If it gets strong today, then I'll just long. I'm not gonna wait for some magical traps or anything. Just gonna long it. But maybe it's gonna just start selling off and be very weak and be a reversal finally. Let's see. Fucking ORB, man. I knew I shouldn't have done that. It's what caused the tilt. My own strategy. And then getting bottom ticked every fucking time. Don't worry, you get plenty of code money. No, it's never enough, bro. Never enough. I've only made 28, 21, 15, 30, 50, $60,000 with these accounts. That's not enough. Come on, give me an 80 one more time. Tough spot. Kind of want to elongate right now, but I also want to be patient. There's a lot of support right here. Ah, you're fucking not low. Go lower, you fucking bitch. If I buy it, it's gonna go lower. If you tune in, if you're just tuning in, these accounts are blown today or green. There's two options. If I blow these accounts, I'm gonna focus on take profit trader. Damn, it's gonna fucking bounce without me, this piece of shit. What a fucking piece of shit. Didn't retest the lows. Can't chase. An absolute fucking nightmare day. Holy fuck. I got long entry was here. I got filled there. Okay, slippage. Then I long here, I get stopped out. I long, I get stopped out. Fucking every time, bottom tick stop out. That's how I am so red on the day, in case you're turning it. Then I took a nice long here. Fucking, of course, market didn't continue. Now I take a nice long here. I sell. Fucking market continues. It's like, I just can't. It's going to be fine. Yes, it's going to be fine. I'm going to either blow these accounts or make them green. It's only $1,500. We could do it. I'm going to, next dip, I'm buying. I'll just place that just in case it goes fast and I miss it. But everyone thinks the market is going to go down. So I'm going to assume that it's going to go up. I'm probably going to be wrong, but everyone and their mother thinks that the market is going down today. Right? Based on the daily and long time frame. So the world is more than exactly. The world is more than a computer screen. That's exactly what I'm feeling. Blow these accounts, go play some golf, and I'll be just fine. I make money, or money, fuck that. We're not making money, we're making coins. If I make some coins, that's fine. I lose them, I lose them. Whatever. Made 60 grand with these accounts. Trust me, I don't take trading outside of my trading world. That's what you guys are here for. That's what you guys are here for, to see the journey. No one else outside of you guys sees the journey. No one in my family has any idea. Family, friends, no one has any idea. If I have a big red day, they have no idea. Does not, been doing this for so long, it does not affect me one way or the other. Maybe if I get $100,000 payout, yeah, maybe I'll get a little excited, but that's about it. Losses or small payouts don't give me any emotional, like a roller coaster. Obviously it feels good, but I'm just saying outside of this world. Sean, I am like that with golf. I'm a long way away from golf being non-emotional sport for me. Had one of my best rounds ever yesterday. Oh, my payout from Apex was approved. Okay. At least that's good. So I could trade all my accounts today. I just hope this freaking market pulls back just enough to get me in. It's going back to the highs. That's my theory today. I had a perfect entry and I just should have fucking bought 5 contracts instead of just one. Could have just done it. Get it over with. I should have rebought here, but I was thinking like if I buy here and then I don't know. I was thinking. I wanted to buy the 80s again. So 90 was too high. Yeah, I don't trade with volume. Trade with volume on stocks. But hey, if you're a millionaire, Peter, then congrats, man. I'm very happy for you. I'm at like $18,000 this month. The goal of 30,000 could kiss my ass, I guess, but that's all it's gonna do. 30,000 could kiss my ass. It's not gonna happen. I don't even have my phone on me today, so I can't log into Apex. I don't have my phone. It's in my bedroom. Don't feel like getting it. Probably got 20 text messages. I could long this if I don't use a stop. But if I want to use a stop, it's a terrible idea. Because if I long this, I can't stop out here. It's not invalidated. The trade is not invalidated till here, or till the lows, actually. That's what the problem is. But I'm going to do it. I'm going to do it. I'm going to be very aggressive on the long side today. Unless we break the lows. If we don't break the lows, I am going to be very aggressive because everyone and their mother is thinking short. So I hope that this recovers, that it squeezes. And then when this squeezes, and then tomorrow, everyone thinks, okay, back to long, then the market dumps. That's my goal. But see, that's what you think. You think you're gonna avoid questions or trades that are questionable because you understand how you approach volume. I've traded for 10 years. I've used volume, and it never helped me with futures because it's just so liquid. There's so much volume in futures that it just, to me, does me nothing. It makes me overthink things, and then I'll miss the good trades because I'm thinking volume, this, volume, that, and I missed a good trade, and it just paralysis by analysis. That's what it comes down to. That's my opinion. But everyone has their own. Trust me, I do fine. I have not missed a payout since 2023 of May. So exactly 3 years, because this is April. So it's exactly 36 months. I have not missed a month without a payout. I had 2 bad months since then, relatively speaking. Obviously, when I started getting payouts, like $6,000 a month was a good month. Once I got better months, I had 2 bad months since then. $1,000 month and a $3,000 month. I do just fine. I go on tilt. I have bad days. I have fucking terrible fills. That's what puts me on tilt. This is not where I entered. I entered here. Where I stopped at was where I placed my long order today, and I got fucking filled 15 points higher. Okay? That's what put me on tilt. Because it's absolute trash rhythmic with the sim. This would never happen on a live account. Unless there was news or something. Then yeah, you could get a crazy slippage. But you're not getting a fill like that on live. I've traded the ORB on live with Take Profit Trader so many times and always had a better fill than Sim. Because on Sim, I always get like a point or two slippage. But 15 points? I mean, like, come on. What kind of fucking joke is that? I'm not on tilt. I'm just literally ready to. I'm just ready to make these accounts green or blow them. I don't know if that's tilt. I'm just gonna be aggressive. That's all. Same thing every other big fucking Twitter guy does. They just don't show the blown accounts. But that's the prop firm game sometimes. Okay, we got some weakness. Oh, they didn't want to take two, but we're in two contracts. Fuck it. Try to move that one lower. Take one off. Come on, retest 280s, please. Yeah, Peter. So you use level 2. You need level 2 for bid and ask. That's good. Everyone's got to find find their own way of trading. That's all it comes down to. My way is the ORB, and then I get fucked sometimes because of stupid issues. Today ORB was the easiest ORB all week, and I fucked it up by trying something else. The reason why I don't trade the ORB that way is because of what happened today, and that was a reminder. Friendly reminder of why I don't do it. Like that. Come on, just dump so I don't long this. I don't want to long it right now. got it. It's holding. Another good one. Just need the volatility to stay. It should break now, I hope. No. Okay. Go lower. No. What a crazy 320. Crazy level. I think it's gonna fall though. I think it should have went already. Should have went. Oh. Oh. We'll take that for now. Made so much money off this 320 level that just gotta scalp my way out. Need 2 more good trades. Probably gonna bounce. Yep. Yep. There she goes. There she goes. Would that put us green? Yeah. But I'm gonna scalp for now. Need to make a double bottom or something to hold a bigger win. This is the middle, so. Damn, what a bounce. That was it. That was the comeback bounce. Yeah. Whatever. I made like 6,000, like $1,300 of 320. Can't complain. What is this sudden buying and selling? I think the market's just volatile. It's actually not bad. I think it's better than the grind we had yesterday. And there was only one crazy spike this morning. Right here. At 9:40, we had some kind of crazy spike. Otherwise, it's been pretty clean candles. Not like whippy news flash like we had yesterday at 9:45 and so on. Damn, that 320 was the freaking GOAT support level. Should have freaking trusted it more. I mean, I trusted it enough to take it 3 times, but we're not stepping off the pedal. We're still going for it. Still gonna be aggressive today. So yesterday I went to get a bike for my nephew and I bought too big of a bike. So now I gotta exchange it, and my parents ordered a bike on Amazon, which is pretty much the same thing. So now I gotta get a bike for myself, a bicycle. And I guess I'll ride it with my nephew and niece. I haven't rode a bike in like 20 years. But I don't think it's refundable, so that is a freaking waste of money, but I just paid taxes yesterday, so $700 is I don't even feel $700. I don't know if it's a good problem or bad, but prepaying taxes definitely helps. Doing quarterly. Because I actually forgot how much I paid already. I thought I paid $50,000 less in quarterly. And I checked. I was like, oh, wait. I'll give it away. It's a kid's bike. Come on, Alpine. We need 2 more good trades. 2 more. We freaking did it. We could do 2 more. Oh, to a kid. I thought you meant to the chat. Actually, you know what? There's a golf course, like the par 3 golf course by my house. I could just tell him to do a raffle. Free raffle. Anyone could enter. I would feel good about that. There's a lot of kids that play at the course. But I just can't believe the bike is too big. Like, I'm like, the bike is so small. And then I have to go pick up the quad today. It wasn't ready yesterday. They told me it might be ready yesterday, so I figured it would be ready, but they said today after 1 p.m. Come on, market, pull back. We need a couple more longs before the volatility dies. I mean, if we start squeezing, then that's gonna make it pretty good long. It might be an inside day, a range day, which wouldn't be a bad thing either, but damn, this 320 is gonna live in my head rent free all day. That could have been it. We could have been done in green. Of course, TRADEIFY hit the daily loss limit, so we're not gonna get that to green. I just need to see some green on my screen. Yesterday could have been easily green, and I fucking sold it like a dumbass. Look at this long yesterday, guys. After the stream. And I sold it for $700 because I was down less than 1,000 instead of holding it to the highs. Trying to get to green. We need a few more trades, 2 more trades really. This 380 short is looking interesting, but I don't want to lose on the short when I'm long biased. I feel like the momentum's switching and shorts are getting nervous. The shorts are like, why is the market not selling off? It looks so weak. I mean, buying this 280 was risky business, but the only thing I could tell you guys is I was so locked in on the chart, I have no idea how much I was down. Well, I get an idea, but I don't know how much I was down. I did not look at my P&L. I know I was down, I think 13 or 1400 from the ORB, and then maybe down 2000. I don't know if I was down 3000, 2000. There's this big stock that's going crazy. I think it's called Bird. I think it's Bird. BIRD. And a lot of stock traders blew up on it. So it kind of just reminds me, if I blow up my sim accounts, who cares? In the grand scheme of things, who cares, right? Life moves on. I did get my Apex payouts approved, so I can't log into Apex because I don't have my phone with me. I don't feel like getting it. But I want to see. I think I'm at like $17,000 on the month. The volatility is slowing down. It's going to be harder to make 15 points really fast. Damn it. Keeps going higher. Why you guys can't see the balances? Yep, grinding higher. When do I buy this? When do I buy this? Yeah, good setup. That 320 buy was the freaking... That's what I was afraid of. If I sell too soon, it's going to be like... If it bounces... Luckily, it gave me 3 chances. Yeah, this is going for highs. I just got to find a good way to enter. Not be afraid. Not be afraid. Someone just typed in NBT. I just saw that. Someone deleted it. It might have been the best comment of the day. No, it was all good. I appreciate the support. Come on, let's see. It's not over yet. Still got to make a couple good trades. Kept buying the 320 and selling it, so made like $1,500 right there. Not 15, like 13. If I would have held it a little longer. Yeah, but I was ready yesterday too. It's like, I think I have a good read on the market. I was saying this is gonna. Everyone thinks it's going lower, so I feel like it's gonna trap. And then tomorrow maybe it'll go lower. Once everyone thinks it's going back, back higher. So I kind of want to take advantage, but without forcing. So we'll see. We shall see. Right now, I'm having a little bit of FOMO. Hopefully we pull back to 380 and then bounce to the highs. Come on. This game a little bit less volatile. $80-20 playing out here. Yeah, it's a range day. So as of right now, it's a range day. So always plays out nicer when it's a range day. That's why I struggle with trending days. Like once we break out today, then it's going to be very hard to participate. So I'm hoping we get one more pullback before we break out, if we break out. But this 320, I could have made the loss back. That was my opportunity, I think. I mean, I made a lot of the loss back there, so I can't complain too much. After 18 months of Simprop, I could finally request my first Apex payout. Only 1,000. Think about going for maximum 1,500. Let me tell you this. It took you 18 months to get there, and you could finally take it, and you're going to think about it when it's an instant approval. Don't even think about it. Just take the money. So it's going to be a fast approval. It's not like you're wasting time, and you could get right back into trading, and then you can make your another 1,000. So instead of making the $500 extra, now you can make another $1,000 in that time and take it out in 5 days. You'll see how good it feels to take that payout. That's my opinion, obviously, but you asked for it, so. Exactly. Huge mental win, and you're not really losing anything because you're going to trade the same amount of time you're going to trade for that $500, maybe extra day or two. If you're going to make it, you're going to be able to take another request. I don't know if the bear market's coming, dude. I feel like the bear market was there this whole time. Over the last 3 months or 4 months. This whole year until April was a bear market. Okay, you mean like long term. Yeah, we get that. We get that all the time now. It's a quick stretch of like a month or so. That's where I got to invest more. I didn't put any money into the long-term market this past, downfall, pullback. I've made over $12,000 in this month alone in my portfolio. So now I'm thinking I should have bought more, But when it was dumping, I was like, I'm not going to buy. I have $100,000 in there, so it's kind of like it's not affecting me in any way if I make money or lose money. I feel like 250 would be nice. 250,000, then you could see like every percent you see some movement. We're getting a pullback finally. Can it hold? kind of want to enter it manually. This is strong, boys. This market is strong. Wish I bought a little bit lower. Get rejected. I don't know. Not liking this too much. I'll get out. Gotta buy it lower. Gotta buy on the dip. I bought it kind of on the way up. Damn it. There's the green. That would have been green on the day. Fuck. That was the green trade. 15 points. Break even trade, I should say. I Unbelievable. I hate NQ.
I don't.
I would like to apologize on behalf of Alpine for using the C word earlier and calling NQ the C word. It's not a nice word. It's a bad word.
Damn it. I had it, guys. We had it. Oh. We had the perfect long. Ugh. Why did I get... I just had a bad entry. If I would have bought it a little bit lower, we would have been fine. Wow. Messed me up there, guys. Damn it. She messed me up. Yeah, Tyler, I was long right here and I stopped out break even. Look at that. Like a dummy. Could have been green. I'm walking away right now. Doing a giveaway and walking away. It's going for the highs. She is going for the highs, chat. I'm about to buy this. Yeah, I'm buying it. It's going for the highs. She going. She is going. Going for the highs. Maybe not right now, but she's going. Need 15 points. So right at the highs, basically. Oh, stalling. She's stalling. Right. We'll buy the 420s. If it breaks the highs, I wonder if it's going to pop or if it's going to reject. 453 is the 9 opening range high. Come on. Just pop. Like 15 points above the highs. I will stop out break even if it touches the highs and rejects. It's going to be another break even stop. All right, I'm not stopping out right now. Only if it touches the highs or breaks the highs. Because it's going there. I had a perfect entry and I messed up. Come on. Just shoot through the highs, baby. It's rejecting up here for some reason. Maybe because it's the highs. Maybe, right? All right, I'm going to stop out break even now. It's either going to go or we're going to stop out and buy it lower. Go. Go. Go, gadget, go. Send it. Rip it. You guys couldn't hear that. Knew it. I knew it. What did I say? Everyone and their mother thinks it's a short today. Could have taken advantage of that, but just made enough to make losses back. That's about it. Still want to long it, to be honest. Might be just the start of another wonderful squeeze. Damn, it's actually gonna break the highs too. I wanted these highs. Wasn't thinking those highs. Yep, broke the highs. Unbelievable. Bam. What a roller coaster day. Well, I told you guys it's either gonna be green or blown. And we got it to green. Could have been easily fat green. Jeez. What a read on the market. After this debacle, like, I was reading the market so well. Here I kind of just, I liked it, but if I would have bought this like dip instead of, because it was just hovering around here, so I was like, you know what, it's probably gonna retest. So I got out, and of course that would have been the same result. I would have sold it for the same thing, so not that, and I wouldn't have chased. So result would have been the same. This was a chase, but I just had a really good feeling that it's gonna squeeze. Now I want to know how much I was down in a day, because I have no idea. I'm gonna rewind the stream, see how much I was actually down. 15, 18, 1800. Nope, 2000. Oh, I was down $3,000, 3,300. Holy fuck! See, I had no idea. I was not looking. Well, let's look at ORB one more time. All right. No, we want full screen. We don't want the chat. Okay, so watch this. My entry is at 441. Look where I get filled. I get exactly 10 points higher. And my stop is not accurate. My stop is 20 points somehow. Actually, that's accurate. Never mind. And then we went green for a little bit. I got slippage on the stop too. That's why I wait out the first few seconds. So I was down $1,300 right there, 14. And then here, I kept getting stopped out. Yeah, it was down like 3,000. Yep, I was down I was down 3,300. So yeah, easily could have blown. Obviously, only because I have fat balances on these accounts is why I survived. But yeah. No, actually, no. Look, I was down to $300 of drawdown. Wow. Yeah, bad day. Now we could only make $3,000 when we are green on the day. That would be great. Did I break the MAE rule on those accounts? Nope, not even close. I think 600 was my biggest loss, maybe. That was one thing I made sure not to do. That's why you see all these stop outs. Am I rich? No, I just paid taxes yesterday, so I'm broke. Well, another 5 years gone of my life, but at least we managed to be green. Read the market good. If the market continued to go lower today, it would have been screwed. So gotta give it up. Gotta give it up for NASDAQ for doing what I wanted it to do. I predicted what it's gonna do. And it's nothing but luck. That's what I believed. Big old trap. Just like here. Pretty much the same pattern. But yesterday I freaking bought it and I sold it like a B word. Instead of holding. I was not expecting this to go like straight up. But I'm glad I really was aggressive on this 320. That put me in a good spot. Whoa, what a day, what a day, what a day. Thanks for tuning in. We're going to do a giveaway, so I entered the giveaway. We're going to do the giveaway in a couple minutes. We'll give away 2 accounts just because I'm not sure if I'm going to stream tomorrow. If I stream tomorrow, it's going to be only ORB. That's all I'm trading tomorrow is the ORB. My brother's off from work, so we're going golfing. And then my nephew's and niece's birthday parties tomorrow. So, gotta deliver the quad. So we have to play golf early so we could go there to their house. So we'll do a giveaway for 2 accounts today. I still want to trade more, but obviously that would be a terrible idea. If I take a loss now, you know, I'm going to be pissed at myself. I do have a TPT Pro account. I could trade, but we'll save it for another day. Damn, this Lucid, this TRADEIFY account, it took me so long to pass, is getting destroyed in 2 days. That's crazy. Might be blown actually. Cause I chose the daily payouts. So it's less drawdown. Unbelievable. I'm cursed with TRADEIFY. Like I said, the only reason I'm surviving with Apex right now is because these accounts are no longer trailing and they have nice balances. Without that, it would have been a bad week. I should just take tomorrow off at this point. But you know that's not going to happen. It's been an absolute disaster of a week for me. Hopefully they don't take your accounts and put you live. They give me a nice balance. I wouldn't mind. It would suck right now because I trade like shit. But when I'm trading well, I wouldn't really care as long as they give me a nice balance. But I think live with Apex is with the new accounts. The old accounts, I don't know. Wow, it's going higher, guys. I should really trade my take profit trader right now because I am feeling very strong about this. What a day. What a day. What a day. Glad to survive, but I wish I could trade like this every day. Not the beginning, but the second half. Like I need to have a couple like, $1,500, $2,000 days on the accounts, and that would just grow the buffer so much. But then it's so easy to lose as well. Hold on, guys, I gotta pee. Be right back. We're gonna do the giveaway when I come back, so enter now. Yep, she's going higher. Of course she is. I don't know. I have a feeling this is gonna squeeze very, very much so today. Look at that. This is what it reminds me of. That's what it reminds me of, these type of moves. But I can't risk it. I made back $3,000. I can't. I would feel like total shit if I blew the accounts now. Or, when red. What a disaster of a week. Okay, we're pulling back now. To the highs. Bounce right off the highs. Bounce right off the highs. Kind of want to trade this TPT Pro and get it to a payout. Look at that bounce. Just so strong. NQ is just insanely strong. But I don't want to do what I did on TRADEIFY. Who sold that much profit taking? Maybe. Or just a trap. 200 seconds versus 1 minute. 200 seconds is pretty much 2 minutes and 20 seconds. No, 3 minutes and 20 seconds. Sorry. There's no difference. It's just how you see the price develop, but there's no difference in price action, right? So time frame is, I think, personal preference. All right, guys. Let me do a giveaway for Apex here. All right. We're just gonna do 2 people right off the rip. No racing today. And this is gonna bounce. It's gonna go right for the highs. I don't want to just buy this, guys, on TPT and send it. Maybe we could get a daily payout. Like, what do you do when you know the price is going higher and you just don't want to buy it? Like, what do you do with yourself? Look at it. You sell? No, you definitely don't want to do that. Look at it. Man, it was literally at 482 when I said that. Could have already made $400 per account or per contract. It is trailing drawdown though, so. Trailing drawdown, you gotta kind of just get out a good point. Get in at a good point where it's squeezing. If it's gonna like chop around, it could get really ugly. Gonna have to wait for a pullback. Gonna have to wait for a trap. I don't have much time though. I gotta go pick up a quad, which is an hour away. Yep, an hour away. Ah, why don't I just trust myself, guys? We could have been getting a daily payout right now already. Good read on the market today, guys. Good read. And nothing to show for it. That's what sucks. Bitcoin went crazy. Rejected there. But I don't think that's... Maybe we could get like a trap down to 420 and then bounce. I don't know. All right, guys, let's do a giveaway. Let's do a giveaway. Let's pick 2 lucky people. Damn, where were you guys? All right. I think it's time. Closing the entries. Oh, no, 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 not cancel. Close. Jeez, that would have sucked. Done that before. All right. So members get 4 tickets. So they have 4 times chance. Going right off the bat. We're picking 2 people, guys. 2 people. Number 1. Elmi. Congrats to Elmi, a member. And Number 2 goes Carlos Melendez. They have to be present to win. Carlos and Elmi. All right, Carlos is here, and Elmi's a member, so. All right, so Carlos, you have to send me an email. I think I have Elmi's. Pretty sure I have Elmi. No, I don't. Elmi, are you watching? All right, guys. So tomorrow the plan is ORB stream, and that's it. Mhm. Well, Elmi's a member, so I will, when I see them in the chat, I'll let them know. If it wasn't a member, yes, they would not qualify for the giveaway. They would get skipped. But we can't do that to a member. Carlos, I got your email. Thank you. All right, guys. I'll see you all tomorrow for a brief stream. Tomorrow, 9 a.m. to 9:35 a.m. is the stream. So 30 minutes. This market is going to continue higher today, and I want to long it on my TPT and just hold it. And just hold it all day, but... All right, guys, I got to go pick up a quad for my nephew, so it's going to take me like a 3-hour round trip. And I'm going to play some more golf today. Played golf yesterday. Amazing, amazing round. One of my best rounds. And then hope to do it again today. I'll see you guys tomorrow for hopefully an ORB win. We need one. It's been a bad week for ORB. Thanks, guys. And yeah, terrible trading today, but second half was good. The ORB got in my head for sure. See you guys.